Daisy! Happy 50th! 5 decades of love, joy, and fulfillment. Talagang nakaka-inspire. And of course, isa ako sa mga na-touch mo the way you live your life sa pagiging Couples of Christ miyembro nyo ni Albert and sa pagiging choir member kung saan tayo unang nagkakilala at naging magkaibigan. Alam kong kumpleto ka na sa material blessings. Glory to God. And kaya naman, sa birthday mong to, I wish and pray for you more love, joy, peace, of course, good health para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. Can't wait to see you soon!
Hello Daisy, happy 50th birthday. I am grateful to have you as my inaanak. May this milestone year bring you good health, happiness, and countless blessings. Enjoy your special day. Stay a sweet and caring wife to Albert. Enjoy your party prepared by your husband. Again, happy 50th birthday.
Hi Lizzie, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I pray for your good health and many more birthdays to celebrate with your loved ones. God bless you and we miss you here. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum! Happy birthday Ate Daisy. Happy holidays. Ako na mag-isa. Wala ako sa bahay so hikabol ko na lang to. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. We miss you. See you soon. Punta kayo dito. God bless.
Hey, Ate Daisy, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and more blessings to come. And I have here my best friend, Furvu. She want to greet you as well.
Regis requesting me to greet you on your happy birthday. And my name is Furbu and I'm wishing you a very happy birthday and may this day brings you a lot of happiness, good health and success. Thank you, like, subscribe, share.
Thank you, Furvu.
No problem.
Mwah.
Happy golden birthday, Daisy. God bless you from Vatican. I love you.
Hi, Ate Daisy! Happy birthday! Wishing you a blessed birthday and I hope to see you soon here in Canada and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Happy holiday! Kami na dito ni Kuya Albert at tayo maglakad-lakad, o diba? Papunta kami dun sa market, mamamasyal sa market. Hope to see you soon. Punta kayo dito ni Kuya. Bye-bye! I love you. We love you. Babu!
Happy 50th birthday, Daisy!
I love you, Daisy. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas. Thank you, Albert, because you are very amazing husband. God blessing.
Hi sis, Daisy, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best and good health. Love you.
Happy birthday sa isa sa mga rason kung bakit ko namimiss ang UAE, kung bakit ko na-enjoy ang UAE, and sa isa sa mga totoong tao sa buhay ko. Really, hindi man ako makaselebrate with you sa special milestone ng buhay mo right now. Please know that I am praying for you always, that you're always in my heart because you're one of the treasure na nakuha ko sa UAE. I miss you so much actually. I just hope that on your birthday you'll be the happiest and you will always feel blessed because you're surrounded by the people who truly loves you. And I know that they are the one who will be celebrating with you today or tonight, and especially your husband. Mayor na punong abala at ang mga kaibigan pa na tumulong sa kanya. Really, I just want to pray na I continue to pray that you'll continue to be blessed, you'll continue to be at peace, happy, and contented. I know there are still prayers that are left unanswered, but I know God has His reasons, and I know God has always His timing, and I'm still hoping na kung ano man po yung mga prayers namin sa'yo at yung prayers mo rin, your silent desires as you enter your golden era, I continue to pray that you will be surrounded with people who will bring out the best in you, those who will make you feel saya at maraming adventure, especially sa pagbabahagi nyo ng talent nyo sa buong mundo. And I hope and pray whatever your silent prayers will be granted soon. Happy birthday! I miss you so much and I hope to see you soon. Love you!